All right, my friend, today's November 1st. This is kind of an emergency video. You have about like 50 days left this year to make it. Then is Christmas, New Year's, January. Not much happening in this month, in this period, especially in B2B SaaS, okay? And if you are still trying to go viral on Product Hunt and like get your 2 customers from that Product Hunt launch that pay you $20 a month each, this is exactly the type of video you need to watch today, right? Especially if you're selling low ticket SaaS anywhere from like $19 to $100 a month in B2B SaaS, please adopt this method that I'm going to talk about today, right? What I'm going to talk about today is how I reached myself over 10K MRR with this method. I call like the 5-step high ticket SaaS formula, and I'm going to explain that in 5 steps in this video. And just to show you what this looked like for me, right? Here's an MRR screenshot of my own SaaS, Seller AI, B2B SaaS. You can look up my older videos where I refresh my Stripe dashboard just to show you that I'm legit, not some kind of fake guru talking about real stuff here. I've also been recently featured on a Starter Story YouTube channel. Exactly. So with that, let's get right into the video, into the high ticket SaaS method and why you should even listen to me. I've did this for myself. I went from $250 in MRR to over 5K cash collected with my first high ticket SaaS customers. And wow, these customers, high ticket SaaS customers, are for sure the best customers you can ever have in your SaaS. They, of course, pay the most, they churn the least, they have the least customer support, and they refer you to other high-ticket SaaS customers as well. So you have all the benefits, and you just make more money with lower customer volume and just have a better life and like a better SaaS, right? So let's jump right into the 5-step high-ticket SaaS formula. Number 1, you need traffic, right? And this is a screenshot of my plausible dashboard for Seller AI, and as you can see here are some few spikes. This was, I think, a Product Hunt launch we did, and this was the Starter Story one. Cool traffic, right? Resulted in actually 0 sales, right? Because it's the wrong type of traffic. You will not get customers from Product Hunt, let's be honest. This is over. Your ideal customers are not surfing on Product Hunt, especially the ones that pay high ticket. There's maybe some indie hackers on there that will like, oh yeah, try out your free trial and then cancel again. Just abandon it. You can launch on Product Hunt if you want for a backlink. That's it, right? But you will not get customers from Product Hunt or from like some feature, right? It's nice, it's cool, but let's be honest, this is not the type of customers that make your business big. On the other hand, you see the stable traffic here. This is our SEO traffic we built via our blog, via SEO research, targeting the right keywords. Also now ChatGPT brings a lot of traffic, right? For boring keywords that businesses with money search for, right? Go quality over quantity, right? This is so important. Like this is like hundreds of people here on one day, 0 sales. Another traffic, another beautiful traffic source is YouTube long form. Only will give you like only a few hundred views maybe, but these views, if you target them right, let's say here, right, you target like meta, lead ad funnel, if you have a SaaS and like the sales or marketing niche, only people that run ads will search this video and then land on your video, and the conversion rate from this video will be extremely high and even higher than from SEO, because then they saw your face as a founder already. And they have immediate trust. Like they saw your face for like 16 minutes. They go to your landing page. They say, okay, this guy seems legit. Let me try out his SaaS, right? So SEO and YouTube long form should already be enough to get you there over time, right? It's not overnight, of course, but you can definitely do it within a month of focusing on these channels. Optionally, of course, you can do outreach, LinkedIn, cold organic. LinkedIn cold outreach if you want to, but SEO and YouTube is really great. Step 2, positioning, right? You can have lower ticket plans still in your SaaS that target lower ticket customers, but this is a pricing table of my SaaS, okay? Let me tell you one, like these plans, 49 and 199 are with a majority, the highest plans with the highest churn. Like they have the most churn of all the plans. This one is very good, has basically no churn, and the custom plan has no churn. Like basically no churn, okay? Because they talk first to me quickly, just a 15-30 minute chat, right? Sometimes longer if it's a bigger business, but therefore they are so trusted in your business. They trust you so much that they are like, once they subscribe they're gonna stay forever. So this is really what you want. You want a SaaS with low churn, right? Otherwise, you're in a hamster wheel forever. So you can have these for the people that have a smaller business and want to sign up themselves, but the reality is these customers are the best. This is why all YC startups, they go for enterprise customers, for example, right? I'm not saying you need to go enterprise and sell like 7-figure deals per year. That is a different ballgame. But businesses like SMBs between like 50 to 500 people, right? They can easily afford a custom plan where you charge them 1K a month. For them, that's nothing. If you build an AI agent SaaS, for example, and you literally replace like five of their support staff, let's say, right? You can easily charge them 5K for that if you replace 5 employees, right, with your SaaS, and you should like this will look for them like a scam. This will look like for them like cheap. Okay, they literally want to pay you more. It's the iPhone effect. Okay, they want to pay you a lot of money, because if they pay a lot of money, they feel like this is really valuable, right? So you can even try to completely have your pricing table gone and just only have the Let's Talk button. And you will like attract less leads, yes, because the lower level they will not book a call, which is good. You don't even want to have a call with them, but the higher ones they will, and they will then convert better. Have ROI driven pricing, by the way. Okay, as you can see here, I charge based on leads. Okay, this is exactly the language that my customer knows. My customer know what is a lead. Most, let's say, chatbot startups, okay, they charge based on like message credits or something. I don't know what a message credit is as a business owner. Okay, like how many messages do I need? Like how many credits is this, and why does this cost more credits? Confusing for me. Gone. I don't want to deal with that. Leads, they understand. Okay, cool. I get 500 leads a month. I can. This plan handles it. Great. Let me do it. So think how the business owner thinks. Like a lot of like SaaS founders, they think, oh, I have this amount of cost for my OpenAI call, right? So I should just charge double. That is the most stupid thing ever, okay? Like if I were to do that, then the plan would be like $2 or something, right? Like you never charge based on your own cost, okay? Like just forget that, okay? All right, step 3 is a funnel split, right? If you want to keep the plans, if you want to keep the self sign up, you should have some kind of funnel split, okay? Most SaaS you see there, go to like Ahrefs page, in the pricing page, you will see, okay, they have the low level plans and then they have always the custom plan. And you can even have a funnel split inside your self-service plan, right? And how that would look like is you have just have like a drop down, okay, in your funnel, sign up, and then they come to the onboarding funnel. And then, for example, let's say you build an analytics tool, okay? Let's say you build an analytics tool. You ask how many visitors do you get per month? You ask the business owners, and then you have probably like, okay, I don't know, up to 10,000, up to 100,000, up to 500,000, above 500,000, and everyone above 500,000, like, or everyone below 500,000, you send to the self-serve. Okay, you consider them as like smaller businesses. Everyone above that, if someone gets 500,000 page views a month, they're for sure like a bigger company, right? So I would then have a quick call with them, because they want someone that they can trust. Okay, they want to have a call with you. They want to see, okay, this is the right solution for us for the next 10 years. Okay, like they want to stay with you for the next 10 years. Think of that. And if you want to work together with someone for 10 years, you want to have a quick call with them, right? So you want that customer to like basically be your customer forever. So offer them a quick call. Say, hey, book a call with my team. You have a quick call with them, and on that call, you go to into their problems, right? And you are able usually to charge them even way more than if they were to go into a self-service sign-up, right? You can offer them some kind of like white glove treatment. So that could be like extra support, or potentially some kind of custom thing, or just you offer them like some more uptime or something like that. Okay, just offer them so they feel, okay, they are taken care of. Okay, even for you it's maybe not even more work. Okay, but you're able to charge them 2 to 10x more than if they were to go on a self-service plan, and they will not blink. They will not blink about that, because they're used to paying thousands for software per month. Okay, yeah. So reroute high ticket, high value customers to to a call booking, and definitely qualify, definitely qualify the leads. Don't let anyone in that is not qualified for this. You will just waste your time on a call talking to some people that are not qualified for that, right? Next, book the call. That's how my calendar looks like. You can literally copy that, right? And you have to definitely qualify the people on the Calendly page. For example, right here is like some drop downs, how many leads you get per month, what channel you want to use. This is all like for me like qualifying questions. If I see red flags here, I usually then reach out to them and say, okay, is this actually what you want to do, right? And they say then, yeah, I don't have a business yet, I want to start. I'm like, maybe not the right fit yet. Please reach out once you're at this level or something like that, because from experience I know these leads are not good and they will like not buy or quickly cancel or something like that. So definitely qualify. Have like book a demo or schedule a discovery call. Make booking frictionless and also time saving for you, especially if you don't have that much traffic. Only open your calendar for like 2 times a week. I see people having their calendar open like 7 days a week. Like, oh yeah, I can take a call every day. Don't do that. Just have it 2 times a week. It creates a little bit more also urgency for them to like, okay, pick a day. And also for you, it's easier if you don't have calls every single day. If you have calls every single day scheduled, you cannot focus on building anymore. So you want to only have your calendar open for 2 days a week. Schedule all your calls behind each other, like call. And then you're like in the flow of having a call. And you can do way more calls and better. And then the 5 days of the week, you can focus on building. Exactly. Step 4 is closing on the call, of course. Actually, I just have 4 steps, I realized. Go on the call, ask the right questions. You don't have to hard sell. Never hard sell them. Like never hard sell. Just have an honest conversation with a business owner or with an executive one-on-one. You ask them the right questions. Discover their problem even more. Then you present your solution. Your solution ideally ticks off most boxes. If they have additional features, you can say, we can provide that in the future and stuff like this. Just make them aware that your solution is solving their core problem right now, and that you are presenting a value-based solution. Okay, that you literally go ahead and you make like a little like calculation. Okay, you say, okay, business owner, you're receiving 10,000 support requests per month, right? And each one right now costs you, I don't know, $10 to solve. Let's say that, right? Based on the employee cost, right? You say, okay, my SaaS can do these 10,000 support requests, and it only costs $1 to solve, right? So I save you 9 times $10,000, okay, which is $90,000 in saved cost, okay, and I'm only charging you $2K a month. Is that a good deal? They say, man, that's an amazing deal. Where can I get started? And you should have already, before you even jump in a call, you should have your Stripe dashboard open, have a payment link already at hand, like different types of tiers, okay? You, like always create like the highest value one first, like the one that you want to sell based on what the data that they put into the Calendly. Have like a 5K a month payment link already by hand. Then if they have any kind of price objections in the call, you can always go lower. You can say, okay, if you sign up today, I actually give you X amount for free on top, or we can do 3K a month. So have these tiered pricing links at hand, and then literally send them through in the call, and collect the payment if you can. Not always possible. It's also no problems. You can do a follow-up email, but if you can collect the payment on the spot, give them some kind of risk reversal, tell them, okay, if you're not satisfied, we can always do a refund within 7 days or something. Give them a reason to sign up right now. For example, make the deal sweeter. Okay, give them something for free on top. Say if you join right now, I can give you 15% lifetime discount. They're like, okay, let's do it. And yeah, this is how you literally close 2 months worth of rent in one call in a week. And if you do that for 6 weeks, you're at 10K MRR. All right. If you want to learn more, if you want to work with me, there's a link in a bio below, first link. Go there and I can help you set up this high ticket SaaS sales system. All right. See you on the other side.